3. Oh dear.
He throws him about as well, he knows all the old tricks.
It's like a cat the way he flies in off. Oh, his final one for Castro, unless something sensational happens here, but he's not known for his punching power. Oh dear, he has done so far, 12 fights, 10 of them stopped. This is impressive stuff from the video. He said he'd watched it. Oh dear, the South times. He tipped this round, and it looks as though he's going to do it too, because it's given him. He shouldn't permit himself. The one that's introducing him now. Oh, what a pitch!
These shots are getting right. Looks like it's all over here, Reg.
He's got time to do it too, Hamid. Oh, good shots, Jim, aren't they?
So far, that's a good little solid. Another one, same punch.
Oh, he's trying.
Close to catching Hamid. That was more of a stumble.
Oh, dear, oh dear, leapt off the floor.
Hamid, when he lands a punch, if the opponent's still there, he pushes them so he can't come back with a counter. These are good shots.
Oh, dear.
He knows he has the power to do it with one single shot.
There it is. It's all over, I think, yes. It's a foolish bravery, and it's all over. Oh, on a left hook. He took no control of his feet. Legs have stiffened on him.
Now the referee should stop that, Reg.
Yeah, he's over.
Big right hands. Left, another right, cutting through. Angeles having to take punches. Oh, terrific right hand, and then a delayed action fall for Angeles of the Yorkshire Yemeni. Along the line, you get the feeling somebody is going to connect like that left hand from Naseem. Is he on his way to yet another quick win? Harris is in desperate trouble against another second round win. It is. He's done it again. I think Robinson, oh, he's got him. Punch that he's been working on.
Good solid right hand there.
Oh, left hook, and down goes Alisaya. Down in both rounds so far.
Heavy
right
punches.
and the left, and I don't think he'll get up from that. It's called off.
Oh, and they both were down. Oh, he nails them. Both of these guys want it so bad they can taste it, and that's what makes it.
Trying to step it up now. Fast punches, good ones, and he's got him going here. And with big right hand, he walked onto that. Molina took those punches extraordinarily well. How has he not gone down? At the moment, Naseem's doing what he wants. Right hand and a thunderous left.
Unsteady legs, and you just think it's a matter of time now.
It is over.
Again, fighting as a... Legs are actually gone right now. He's got to get off the ropes. He was down a couple of times against Everbolino, but Tom's a minute to go in this round. And Tom is off balance and caught again. Tom was really off balance with the first shot. And now Naseem having a field day team right in Naseem's punching power area. Naseem was right off the he's falling back on his heels. Pure instinct as he gets busy. The uppercut drops him. I don't think he'll be able to get up from it.
I've ever seen. Oh, and once again, he's got it. He actually got up at 7. And he's got him again. Billy Hardy once again sprawled on the canvas. Take good whacks from him. He's hitting him with his best shots. And he's going to do him in this round. It's all over in the second.
Not too happy, took another big left hand. This fellow is durable, but even he was wobbled by that. Then a right. Blood coming from his nose. This could be the finish now. They want to stop it. But Dio's corner want to stop it.
The guy who's a big puncher. You can tell he still throws those chopping punches. Down goes Kevin Kelly. Oh, that was a solid shot by Naseem. Kelly throwing hard punches again. This fight has ebb and flow, back and forth. Both guys throwing home run shots now. Down goes Kelly again.
He'll come at him, though. Threw him over there. He doesn't fall off balance more often. He'll fight him back. He's got all the guts in the guys that he's fought that'll come at him. Oh, noise in the Oh dear. He didn't miss him with that one. Yeah. Oh, it's legs then. They started to go. He's going to get knocked over. He is going to get knocked over here. Because if he can't control his legs, he's just walking back into the fire again. All over. All over.
They didn't have another pair of brand new red gloves left. So Paul Ingle got stuck with the yellow.
Don't blink. Ingle goes down on the left hand.
The best referee as far as integrity is in Canada.
Hard right hand by Hamed to alter that strategy. Washington punches right through the guard and lands a right.
Then he throw a power shot. All of that rhythm factor that he has is gone.
You never went out of your way, as the Prince does, to style yourself a knockout artist and say you were going to dominate your opponent
In this fight, and if a knockout presents itself, let it happen.
Here's the third knockdown. And Joe Cortez stops it.
A knockout punch like a champion to win it. And Bungu taking some heavy shots here. This going, he has to maintain his concentration. Big left hand. Bungu covering up again and looking a bit open as he staggers them in hard. Oh, and a big left hand puts Bungu on the floor in the fourth round, and I'm not sure he'll get up from that. And he's not made it. It's over.
Watching with their hearts in their throats, thinking, here goes my million if this guy goes down. They trade left hooks. There was a slip, but even still, Sanchez is on the floor. The Prince leans down and he wins. Sanchez again slides down the front of him. Left, right. And once again, you see the awesome punching power of Prince Naseem Hamed. And that's going to be the end of the fight.